Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, it's going to be my participation in Daisyludesigns birthday YouTube hop. And what this hop is about is where she sent out a group of girls, which of course I will have linked down below, a thrift store item that we were to alter and of course share with you guys on YouTube. And you guys are gonna have to forgive me because I forgot to film a clip showing you guys what it looked like before. But I'm going to have a link down below sending you guys to the picture that I have, and I'm going to post on Instagram to show you what it looked like beforehand. I totally forgot to do that. I am the worst at that, and I just didn't want to have to film a clip and edit. You guys know I don't like to edit, so I wanted to get this video as simple as possible. And I gave you guys a little hint that I was working on a project, plus I also was kind of like promoting it on my Instagram that I was doing a project. But I had purchased the Echo Park Team Spirit collection, and this is what I wanted to use on this project, and that's what I did. And let me show you guys what I altered. This is the item right here, and if you guys can see what it is, it's kind of like those back in the day CD books. I think that's what it is, but it's like this plastic big book where you kept like your CDs inside. It has the ring binder and everything. You guys see that? So what I did was alter this, and I'll open it up again in a few, but I want to show you guys first what I did with the cover. So of course I backed the front, the side, and the back, and I made it kind of like a little mini album. So if you want to record some memories of a trip or a birthday party or something, this would be perfect because it's like your little kit of what you have. I put a cute little camera from the collection and just put like snap. I wanted to put snapshot, but it was too long, so I kind of put the camera. You kind of get the idea of what I was trying to say. And you guys, I absolutely love the cover. I was going back and forth with it like a million times, but I ended up cutting on my Cricut 2 vinyls, a bigger one right here and then a small one, kind of like a record. And then just decorating on top of the record, I did some layered butterflies. And these are from Paige Evans. Wait, it's the wrong one. Let me see, right here. If you guys saw my post on Instagram, I showed you guys I made a bunch. But I'm gonna have the SVG down below so you guys can definitely check it out. And you guys know I bragged about this collection. It is adorable, super cute. I used the cardstock stickers and put a bunch of little enamel dots. I put little gemmies on the skates. I propped up a lot of the little cardstock stickers all the way around. I added the stars. It's so cute, you guys. I am obsessed with this collection. I did some of the little cut aparts right here, all the little ephemera pieces. And then you guys, when you open it up, I added pockets on each side right here. You see, I did some stitching. So I did a little pocket on this side, but there's also a pocket here. So of course you guys know that if you go like on vacation, you have like little tickets, maybe if you went to the theater or a carnival. So I figured maybe make some pockets and put them in there. But in here, I just added the cut aparts and then just did the same thing here, some stitching, the pockets. And the reason why I put the cut aparts is because this is going to be given away. So of course I wanted to add some parts of the collection. Look, you guys, super cute. You should definitely watch my video. I have a link down below where I show you guys a better view of the collection. So I added some tags right here. I made a shaker just to kind of divide where you're going to be putting some journaling and some pictures. I stitched all the cards, and then there's some empty sleeves where you can add some pictures as well. More little tags. So I didn't do much decorating because this is where you're gonna have, of course, your little journaling, your little pictures of your trip or your party or whatever memory you want. But you guys, I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's like a super cute little mini album. And I had so much fun decorating this. Here's another little shaker. And then this one is from, this collection is all heart. I thought it went well because it has the same kind of like 80s vibe. And then we got some more sleeves back here. But yeah, you guys, that is my super cute little altered little CD box. Now I did have another, because when Daisy had sent me this, not Daisy, Vero had sent me this, we thought it got lost in the mail, and she had sent me some sleeves, but I'm actually gonna save that for another video to share with you guys what I did with those pockets. But yeah, this is my altered little item. Thank you so much, Vero, for including me in your birthday hop. I hope you have an amazing birthday, had an amazing birthday. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.